Patriotism is a deep sense of pride and devotion to one's country. It involves a commitment to the values, culture, and traditions that make a nation unique. Patriotism can be expressed through love for the land, respect for national symbols, and participation in activities that contribute to the country's well-being. It is different from nationalism, which often emphasizes competition or superiority over other countries, as patriotism focuses on unity and shared identity within one's nation. People who are patriotic often feel a strong sense of belonging and responsibility toward their country, aiming to support and improve it. Now let's look at some examples. Patriotism can be observed during national holidays such as Independence Day or Constitution Day, when citizens gather to celebrate their country's history and achievements. Singing the national anthem at public events is another example, as it unites people in a shared moment of pride. Patriotism is also evident in the actions of individuals who serve their country, such as soldiers, teachers, and healthcare workers who dedicate themselves to the nation's welfare. Small everyday actions like volunteering in community programs or voting in elections also demonstrate a commitment to the country. Now let's look at some strengths of patriotism. One strength is that it fosters unity among citizens. When people share a sense of pride and loyalty to their country, it can create a sense of belonging and bring diverse groups together. This unity is especially important during challenging times, such as natural disasters or crises, as it encourages cooperation and mutual support. Another strength is that patriotism can inspire individuals to contribute positively to their society. Patriotic citizens are often motivated to take part in community service, work towards social improvements, or support national causes. This collective effort can lead to better education, healthcare, and infrastructure, improving the overall quality of life. Finally, patriotism helps preserve cultural heritage and national identity. By valuing a country's history, traditions, and values, citizens ensure that these aspects are passed down to future generations. This can strengthen a sense of pride in where one comes from and promote a deeper understanding of one's roots. However, patriotism is not without its criticisms. One weakness is that it can sometimes lead to a lack of critical thinking. Excessive pride in one's country may cause people to overlook its flaws or resist necessary changes. For example, focusing only on a country's achievements might prevent citizens from acknowledging historical mistakes or addressing ongoing issues. Another weakness is that patriotism can lead to exclusion or division. While it promotes unity among citizens, it may unintentionally alienate individuals who feel less connected to national traditions or symbols. Immigrants, minorities, or those with differing beliefs might struggle to feel included in a society that strongly emphasizes patriotism. A third weakness is that patriotism can sometimes create tension between nations. Although patriotism focuses on pride in one's own country, it can occasionally foster a competitive attitude that undermines cooperation. This might make it harder for countries to work together on global challenges like climate change or humanitarian aid.